Action speaks louder than words. I present a cassa with you. Then I know you're not for you. Don't drop us when you're energy. You swear to a real yet energy. They use Robio, but yes, any Christo, yeah, Messiah. I'm an idea, my wife. Passing up work to the way. Next year, you could see one year. I bet I could just see it to him. I can't book in there the number. Children, your honor. You see you on my phone. I know you have been coming on my show. I'm going to call you, don't respond. So today, what's your name? Okay. Yeah, what tire Santefo in the extreme sense so we make us identina. And the political bone region phobi to me casse. Asante ne bono ye baako. E te wo ne bubudua. Na na jima badu pen mu wei. Timi kogina a whole bunch of people association casse. Pen mu also te akonya so. Sa Santefo be casse be ne bono fo be baako be boa. What hatred. Just say other people have entitled over there. On memo obi ehun so mota Santefo. Be santini bi ntimi sore. Emo musu who say yes. Mesu me defend me de. Na se ne tie bia no. Mama o mohunu de who their enemies are. Obi ntimi nyesa. Asantefo ebinu mama ba. Munya Santefo papa. So I don't blame you. Mama menyi Joe Daniel Mfia. On fan entity enko ne mama ne papa ho no. You see, the reason why you have to make sure say menya stupidness say me ba be dey so me be ja multiples me sha say Yusuf Facebook ni enwo. Yes, and so Facebook could not be testify say me tena so my accounts, my first account. Somewhere 2010 9 more. It is our publicity near that. I don't care. I don't even remember you. But every way, Asante first. I don't care how you feel it. I don't care how you take it. Say the ability to me active boldly. HSO Asante for me Debbie me kase obi enu a obompa me na metumi wasi wo obi akura me ni nkomoda and I will do my possible best as Asante for ni bebo mo so and this is what I've started me pick one after another sabuni munyansa se ba bi edidi yense ho de a se bi enya do ensakro na so mu de wagina yi no sasa ni ntwa ma nye sini na da ki wan na so bubi o wu twa firi ho no on man timi afa sakro no ansa mo won ma ho eboa Atadwee is one of the most evil person. I am telling you. Adia mi hu ye no. Me ma bi adwa tama for you matchum mani menka. Menka because minim de menya film. Minim ma de menya film se obi awo ne ba. Na owo ne talent awo de ye ne comedy. Minim the benefit a mi menya se mi be police abrante we down. But that is the truth. And you know, only ababa obi efe na ela. Onu mu nyina tan Asante fo ba omo no omo nenam koba. Omo no omo nenam koba. Minyan. Munti asemi step by step. Na bia na me kan step by step. Emu beda ho clear. Amo mate ase. Mama ba. Wo ti mi hu nya asase e video. Ebe explain ensem ebe bo a friend says screen recording. I don't know what more screen recording in. Ebe bo screen record the Atadwee bar so ebe kan and Atadwee ni munyansa. Everybody go and listen to video na me here too when ye. Munko na munko tie ni. You are not even listening to the video. Muntie video no and once say bia nya do nyansa na bi ni mu bi no mutirim. Go listen to the video. Edia na me catch Atadwee. A photo na me too no. Say you want crowdfunding, you shouldn't even go to that platform. Atadwee he. Asante for. Yakuya ho de ama mumu bi no. Benyame boa mo na Asante for say ya so. Except abeku Santana. Na nyame pagya mo de mo kosora. E na mo hu say. Mwe puli Asante down. Savia no meme and na meme de me wan involve Asante sem no bi nsibio. Thank you. Ebi nsibio. Sasantini also wantie masem. No wantie mani bo. Na also wo ya brantie na me de 8 years be pulu wo do wato for one. Omu ne panko obehie ne difo. This time it is about you and your people. Abrantie nim de mama ba oye. Understanding no call the platform so no. I initially na me feel say mama ba because me call so on me call one me follow no. One no Atadwee me follow no. One no tin na me hu say our life be so. And am kreke course because to be our life ah. Me got me dem accounts ba ko to coins e ma no. Me tan no so me to coins e ma no. Uni adwene. Adwene na uni. Because me consider and say o free berekum to our brother. But one consider say oh your family or what tie ne ye mo ade nyina. O chiri kwazo beka so Asanteni. Ade a wo chiri ye ni ma Atadwee wo be supo. Me usu na usu no. Obi am wo mobro and come coach and come hute. Because me deep inside you so you fake. I know deep inside me and you so you fake. Na me get Asante for no a moto ho no a. Mo bi no mo ye video. Say bi mi aba ko bi. Atadwee ya do wo ye video pepe. Mo ye naive. We are very naive. Ayamuna so bi benya santema ye firi mo ndipa bi say mo so. Atadwee so hoko kan abru industry ho asem. Atadwee also hoko kan abru industry ho asem. Ade na de nkomo ne bae. Ade na kofa nkomo ne bae. De kofa nkomo ne bae ne say. Onu mo ye mekobon. Tie ni nyansani Asanteni. Na mekobro no mo de abrantie bi papa bi ayi nyina anim no amaga na ani agye krache wo pe prove akome platform no so prove da why na wo mo de obrafo atudwumadi ni so if last week no last I think last week last 2 weeks and then Kofu Buofu did the time left the right side into the fast Antony and in the battle omudwumadi omu yeso ye your brafo and to omum pele and then fine kusia tenu no maka ma onu mama bay we ebe ye video kase ade onu ni nyan mo ye na fidi enye na nya santifo nyina no wo mu no won problem mama bay I saw that video all because of so mo program na so brafo ya santini kura no ante santini timi participate abunu problem a program the bru need you to participate asante no say ye na ase akede but this time sa attitude no take for tact ebinsi no way ebinsi bio wo pay nia ye pe wonia wo pay nia ye mpe wonia obiele ni gini bi ho na no ma no mo didi nkoma na sa da no amemi call platform no so ko hunu abrantie so what does any mama ba wo so India man mo ne wo mo di asante 40 million no mo go and no mo discussing the same issue eti no mo na wo Atadwee wo call so na mimi nya sa notification no and am the buy meme ba ye na mo kase wo na wo kase wo mo aboa mo nkrofo na no na de wo mo ye o sebi internet social media no so no wo mo promote abono woni je ho wo mo nyino ho na mo se beti me ye ya said your talent wo kumase ne adade nkrofo support do sana wo mo nya wo bono and this is where I found the problem mama ba entertainment or artist or a comedian or a singer or a movie actor or that's any search India my TV or any search omu nyina ye nkrofo di asante fotem titu ni ya chiame nkrofo mi ese nyina titu ni ya chiame kwase ase jimisie ensama kase ye nkrofo ye ono ko so se wono wo mo ka movie industry ho asem no san nkrofo ateni asante fote ni asante fo ho tan na nkrofo de si internet iso abo ho blame fienu 5 good years judge ma bedu ho timbefe ho chiame san nkrofo we mi ensa okọ mo platform so no na onu nyansa o pache so woni moda sani bro social media so di ana Atadwee wo pache rese o da sani aduma pobe na wo je apart from so didi asantefo any step ya chiame maybe kan sama kase na wo to na wo kasa se wan kasa mboni bia enkrofo be na no wonu mo di sankomo ase bia no meka yeto okan wo ye adwuma pa edi adwuma no wo ya apart from so didi asantefo atem edi ya chiame atem apart from no edi adwuma pa no mo ye I just want you to tell me adwuma pa mama be ye you the promote to ebono kro no apart from so didi asantefo ema to ye ho ato ye pants ho adi asantefo me matem ade kro no akohia to wo mo so na owi ode akotia me so sabi anya do sabi akontama da sumra so kwase ase jimisie aboase ne de ba de the same as odasani the same as blessed daughter etimbasa bi pusa wono na okọ so omo ye adwuma pa no no mo yira mo na burumpuntu okọ na nimu no ade na sa krofo wo ye ama burumpuntu okọ na se impuli asante da no omo ye no etu eburumpon meboa sa na wona wunyem benyansafo onye badwemba wonwene nkwachire ana onu na wutu na ko henkwan ode kaka yu na satwede na before that the man me very attentive and mine is abranti but this video no to me and they move and they mo share and I won't spread it no the same way na mo share le ye no tibi kwatra papa je ayi so kwadi matam na papa je na so di bi na no twitwi form abranti di watama da o ka so ya Asante Atadwee na Asante face what nyima ba se promote mano Kanya sase mom se nye nti na bae. But in essence so be a wo sabi encourage wo mpanifo hwe wo. Wotimi di na tanka so ejimi fo akwase ampanyi ni nyina. Na so enipa bi didi wi na omodo man no atwitwi di form. E form anka so no omodo man no atwitwi. Ebi ni papa G. Minima santi ni kura hoye. Because the word Asante no kasa target Asante fit no and the PC ni off. A PC ni off. Eti no di na tem. E dia na ba wutini ma target the ebunu face adai. Ya fanton che. Abira asabi enya na branche also free berekum. Ma observe na che. Ma observe na che. Ebre mi ko comment ase na wane so bolo air life. Me try to assess. And now ya Asante me ye na momo ye life wa. Na mo kura mo timi fam enkasem papa bia. Me try to assess. Nyam so bolo wo ye Asante ni reason up and I'm free okoye. Abrantie ebre bi ya wa ha. Ajima bedu sore ya o jite se. Wotira ha tia me. Na me kasa sem na to Asante ni bia sum se. Wobi biala obe adole a wo adole ajima bedu. Wobi biala osusu yesa ajima bedu ye ni hilo. Wobi biala osusu yesa ajima bedu e okukuduro no. Wo Asante ni wo esiteti so wodi aduro ebe gu aduane mu di ama wodi esa so wotan atawo ye mu ade nyina. Ensebi sole ye sebi enyado ajima bedu afa mranche ne mabawa prince no mo odasani no mo yo no omudi nkomo India ma TV no mo wodo sa branche no ya gunani o any wo mo maka nyina mama ba brother daughter so di Asante fatem ama katia me na sansam no wuti awura be ho atoa so mfie nu panyi bi ankasa nkyere omoda yase kwase yensuro jimi yensuro yetibi di nipa toto aboa yenye nipa bia o nipa kase wo buru sabi enyado nipa dodo so e wo biase ya sene kwase asena boa kofa boa papai asori a wodi sikadwa o attack na Ajima Bedu wo sori attack konfo no che wo sori attack na ha emedia na ne nkura so kabi kan sama kase go Asante ma hofi eti obi odi ne ho be bata no na so wo kira wo se wo Asante ni metown ana Ajima Bedu ni 25th anniversary no Ajima Bedu ni si ade so 1999 classroom blocks 6 kronzi bi da e ma kro no but no Asante what kan ya wo sorry ye no se wo be tese wo be disrespect ya Asante man titu ni akiame no obi ota Asante bia eta adachi hwe na say ade afa say ye jire na kabrese hwe nsem obekan wo de ko ba Ajima Bedu hwe nsem wo no mo no longuro hene e be jira bonte kai ensem be no mo nka fa Asante ma ho because of Ajima Bedu ni group of Asante ene wo mo na wo yakora ensem na afidiu ene wadwuru baabi me ye video na beto me ka se me dan na samoa esa se wa public figure nti me o ma me platform so because on say me platform dey Asante sem ene wo mo so mo bo dan na samoa no se bi enya do nya Asante fo nko e bi ye krofufu bi aso ti nyo Onyankopon pagya wo si baabi na be public figure esa sa wo che wo free tribalism so I'm coming. What you free that tribal issue near I know, and this is exactly advice I was giving this guy. Now me catch Asante force. On tire Asante force so they should abstain from him. Berekum HEMAA babontene. Beka na bakwasem. Ebe chere so obodo mo ya Asante fo. Eti wo osusu ye se wonya Asante ni no. Ubetini etu afri berekum. Akọ. Ti nkomo weyi. Nyansani. Abranche babontene. Wase wo fri berekum. Oba HEMAA ne beka asasem no. Dormaa ba HEMAA be fa so be di ma me no atem. Beti Dormaa fo wo ne se. Dormaa fo HEMAA fo bia jana program crazy berekum o manko. Chese ya Asante ni title abe wo. Emma sakura wey mama banum odasani di berekum matam to no more than 2 weeks. More than 2 weeks ewo social media so. Obi a also wanted no onyame wo hwew nananum ni so akese hwew Adaya wa so ye santini. Eti Ajima Bedu nua ba se. Madomania when may be an berekum programs. Enu na chechi echire na Ajima Bedu. Wabeka saye kasa hunu wo demosia. Wo wie no de call e friend say sakroi me refi krodi. Aka sansem hunu sa wo fati a atia me. And was says so begin the 25th anniversary. Na sabre na one my MC. The MC berekum de betu just on making up exercise berekum. Na Ajima Bedu so all ye clean up exercise wo kurum. I'm coming, sweetheart. I'm coming. Ajima Bedu so ye clean up exercise wo kurum fi berekum. Berekum ye ma HEMAA. Ajima Bedu o ye ma hene. Omu nyina yi equal stature. Edie na ma wo free tete e wo wa na o te bro. Wo Ajima Bedu as you hilo. Atadwee. Wo Ajima Bedu as you hilo. Better Ajima Bedu chance yes or attack Asantes all the sudden o yo hilo. Me bo. Number second toa. Wo se wo ya wo se. Wo di nisuo be kata so no. Me so bia. Me Asantes ba. I swear to God. The whole Ghana me so bia. Apart from you. Any amamne ni amane you obi ko fa hyehyase wo any bu ode tete na se dom me na ka ko fo ade o me de se ke madwane afimi de so me ye 1,000 na me ni atam me wo be hia me na o ye mahye wo be hu me video na wa bobirim esa se me nim se de wote I know who you are berekum HEMAA yes adien akwana nko wan ko kino exercise ni bi once okora on SSO berekum ni once ho better Ajima Bedu all the sudden wo Dormaa wo free berekum ko Dormaa e be 1 hour wo free berekum ko Dormaa e 1 hour wo free Kumasi be se akosunyan ni berekum ye be 1 hour be wotimi to free Kumasi hwa 2 good hours woni ella etimi ko Dormaa abra berekum wantimi akwa egino exercise bi akwa Ajima Bedu ho koye kino wa wodi bi ana adedo you are proud of you because of so Asantes fonti you are proud of because of so disrespect Asantes fonti Atadwee ba okro me ma ya Asantes ni de ukoyi ma be kaso ya Asantes ni manipa kona ukọ wo platform so no mo pebru puntu no e di ukro me ma tam ato ne ho ato ne dress ho because you were moving so cool, you can won't action speak louder than words. Barbara called the man, a baba will be interview. That was when once a video at you. I could bear 2 years, as I say. What you made it 2 ways to sell more beyond download? Na add this over share. Made it 200 net. But the amount you said there be. Oh, yes, said we anywhere be back. Efun so di pa ho e bia wonye sa na mani bi ntimi forget it. Abra baba won interview no obusa o say. Enkrofo bi titi internet ni so say na Ajima ye huhu. E na fa nkosi a. Atadwee se wo a me ne wo a wonim de na ekoso ata Ajima Bedu no wa mo na anya. E na ba brofo na ba Asantefo oyistigate na political bro region against political Asantes region see any enemies and what is squad sample abranti Gideon you no omo ye mekobuno abron champion you for situation e dey na Gideon kai otimi threaten nyina say yenyi National House of Chief na ya kasa yesi ya e dey e ma Ghana no yenyi mfiri ho mfa nkran won sa beta no na wo mia ne me na wodomia Just a come Monkona Asante a sinke di ko hosum na mo dia peja. And see that ya makwan. Atadwee minimum I'll fish you out. Uko dina Dormaa na wo se ane. Wo mo titi internet ne so mo kasa ane de. Se be ye no fia. No be fie be ye o fia. Wo so be fie be ye nye. Na Ajima Bedu se bi anya do. Ye wone so a. Ya Ajima Bedu so a. Ghana ya have Supreme Court judges. Usijis, almost half of them Asantefo. Ya want so tane so. Appeal court judge. Na Asante for say na wa pick judge. Kay wade so a nka ye pe. Na mo tete o mo kasa asem na mo bunu for de. De na najima bedu ye bia. Even underground nyina mo ta na chi. Na mo slow bia. Na mo ni Jesus Christ, eh? Atadwee. Do you think you say na best call yourself free with this? What don't want be done into one? What should I say you are with us ajima bedu? What time that you made that statement? Na yeni sorry ajima bedu, what is respect you run a defend your own? Yenya no subia kayepe. Wo Asantinia sebi na dwemo ha. Wonsro Asante amamna ni amane no nsro ya bosom ni ensu wonsuwa. Na wonsro na nanum tumi etoa e de bo Asantema wo ba bepem de. Na opese na mo no ne saso ni dwira Asantema egu no. Ene be so wo so. Ene unisu kanka awote. Unim dia bo ha. About 11:21. I don't give a shit about fake news so now what you also open watch. What do we involve, you know? Now gas idea grow na obedie. Obedie grow say. Now, when you ajima bedu, said you walk can say, what are the both underground bibia? Na bro for the eternity. Na the oye bia no eternity. Adia oye ni so Asante for. Adia oye ni so ataki Asante. Adia ni so disrespect ya me. Adia oye ni say wa ataki esikega. Adia oye ni say omo bia hu edi atam. Ore ne nkrofo. Tutaneti welcome to the game. Wonti mi ntra baabi enidi. Na owi a sebi aduane kro na eguo no a eho sesa nkrofo ni die no. Wasa sesa na de aka wotieti aso ase na de akọ. It will not happen. Me some movie ni menye bi. But as long as the majority of we Asante for all over Ghana, ye the majority. Moya ade na e be fiti mo out afide na musuro. But mo koya moya the people moya underground e pini Asante for. Ye dia Asante for them. You are the people supervising them. Mo using the fake account. E dia Asante for them. Our comment section. Mo Atadwee, I am here. Now come say me usa video no. I just made the video to advise you. In Asante 90% of Asante will never ever. So me yimi amade ama wo wudi agro. Aya agro bi na wudi. Ti sa parent tokwasa de open no a. Ukotra obo mi di say me di water me. Say me di me di water me. Na mama badie wodi say bi atia mi atam no. Ono kwa on platform so edwuma pa. Wo kwa understand no si de ntini ya Asante ni abro ye baako. Adenti ne de obra fo ba ho enefa wo kwa hokobo ka che o say o mu nyina amoa na abro industry nkoso. Industry bay. He industry de wa here. Chira mi pray wono mama ba o pray e wo industry kwa kan apart from so di atia mi atai mama ba me se wasa wi. Wo page no ye bie mawo. Wo fonton from no ye bo mawo. Wo tompa no ye bo mawo. Wasa wi. What your person you bia? It is our time to show you how we can also dance. As I want to make any assembly. We are going deep, both spiritual and physical. I will deal with you. What's your opinion about boom? What say? Achiano. What's our game? Metro Nyansa. I want to what is our that's you know. Attempt ye piano mudi matema yemia. More. What be want to me see the say? Come on, see want to me see. I just want to tell Atadwee say. Me empimenim me adwecho. Yem fe de so na me because minim how fake people act. Every optimistic person, what don't kasa na so you fake. You were too fake for my liking. A man, not public, you also did not tell people. You are fake. You are seeking for public sympathy and solidarity. Everything I mentioned there, deep down in your brain, you know I never lied, not even a single word. And I'm a message. You don't know who you're dealing with, eh? You don't know. Ayabuka several bloggers if one or the two bloggers. You don't know me. You don't when I want to do something for the sake of men and anonymity, I determined to do it. I don't care the consequences. May hear the consequences. I don't even care about the consequences. It is time for Asante also. We have done enough for all your stupidity. All of you have danced your dance. Why don't you want to enable us to also dance to you? You crying. Obate biele ni ho. Ya said your person the best free soro be for. Said the person who pull your Asante down. We know. Not in my time. I just have them say me bo. Hey, I don't fucking care. Ko BBC, ko CNN, ko Al Jazeera. Go everywhere. Go to the big platforms and see who you're dealing with. Not bloggers. Acquire 250,000 views. Go get 4 million views. 15 million. Go 1 billion views. Still, I don't fucking care about you dealing with me. You an ant. What you tatia? So you know, so you are panicking, say. Asantes are going to the all is on already. Now you are panicking because I've raised an alarm. So you know, you are fully aware. The same hands be every demon mo brage. The same hand pushing you to be stars mo brage. Let me tell you, by this time, nobody will be meek, and no one will be weak, and none will be feeble or fragile. Everyone will fight like an eagle to secure their places. We will not permit anyone. As long as a matter social media so, I jam kiss or some to her. Attend me ben amenye and him go baby. So I will face. This is like a war. As long as I am in the battlefront, I will keep moving forward. Whatever happens, happens. I don't care anymore. Share. Who better you? Cratchy. Mama Kassam Facho, Papa Jeno, or you're so limited in reasoning and IQ. If not, he wouldn't even permit you to come close to him. My last words are made him say. O mama ba enko no a wo se wo momra omomwa mebunu omo ye adwumapa omomwa mebunu fan saying empuntu nkoso. I just asking you humbly say e dey no participate. Our blue movie industry, blue industry. What did they participate? What did they participate? So what did you do? Say Brony Asante Bakwa. Why are you bringing segregation? Say Bruno industry. What is a blue industry and what is Asante industry? Huh? What is a blue industry? Because you come with the everybody are there. And can I be new? I'm gonna new Sana Ghana movie industry masa. Kumasi does not represent Asante. It's a capital, a center. Kumasi does not represent Asante. So se kuma wudumu. You are just creating you skipta hudo. Now what the agenda say? You are building a Bruno movie industry. What are you doing to push the Utimuno? You are collapsing this and building another one. And yes. I pray for Conquasumo Babel. Onyanko Possum, a baby catcher, what say. Assassin medieval Quaswa Quassa and Guano. Samokwa, Mumon Papa, and Ma, a minor. Naso a man yasum dia mubanyasum die. Naso a man Quaswa Musum Bacoso. I want ne Kumase, only what ye, Opia Umbiabino. You are, why are you not promoting and projecting the one I want? So when you are so betting me push you mubia becano, no more good wono. But you said, you are projecting a blue industry. What industry do you have in there? And what does it make different when you know? So you are a segregated person. I didn't know what you know. I wonder why people cannot reason fast. You what you know? What better say? and then more be any di. So I don't know one more man on koso. Na koso a won nuanom bi ba. What me so adoma beka ho. Ebro ba owom. There is so many people from all around Ghana. Mu nyina na mo yadwuma and mo didi. It is yadwuma, it just like industry. It will be what Bollywood mu. Abeka sa mi Bollywood mi free California. Enti Bollywood na mi ana ayefere say Hollywood na mi wo mu no. Me promote California wood. Anybody with a brain will not do that. But you were trying to collapse that one. Trying to go now with sentiment, and I am from you, and I because I said me quite happy, and I because I said back a broadcast and a lot of comments you have been making recently. And people are not being observant enough. If you think we are not different, why are you trying to build another? Why then? And people are not being observant enough. If you think we are not different, why are you trying to build another? Why then? And for them say they should help to build a growing industry. Now, what did they do in the social media? Oma better crap promote to timber what Dormaa. I promote to Kosia, you producing the Dormaa. What they promote is assaulting, insulting, harassing, abusing, disrespecting, and filtering Asantes, especially Achiame. So who are you? What is your plan? What is your agenda? Why do you support them? Why they are not even doing nothing to contribute to what your visions are? I didn't come by. Because of say a call for brafo, and they didn't come by a brafo ya santini. What you and me no yet the bomb. Would me maybe and bet me the mintimi would ye? Mebo. No way. Yes, ye dear any BBC for hard time in the rainy season. If no reasonable Asante are not getting all I'm saying, they should forget about it because I don't fucking care. I am protecting my own. Asante Maya Obon. So I did to so Asantini, we will embrace them. Only to my we don't fucking care again. Because so betu so good at the handsome nobody fucking have to fight about this. Pardon me with my fucking language. What can be a Jimmy for an answer say? What do you think? What Papa J? Send me for video evidence now. You are even evidence yourself. You are full evidence yourself. Huh? The slaps of insult you receive. Are you not enough evidence yourselves? Huh? The disgrace he shower upon you. Are you not even the evidence of yourselves? Meaning how people reason nowadays. I don't get it. Some passage why are you dividing it? Why? Why are you dividing it? A, B. Why? Why are you striving? Why you are eating from the A? You striving to build the B. But the A is what will you go? Would you ever go B? And now you will lift your shoulders. I want now why you could fear the man. And I bear qua Santino and I make Kumasena or free berekum no or Belkumase. Or be ye Kumasinya, big radio station or clan or Quatran Clavio or some call and yes, but on now think that still on Capo Casao. On Capo Casao. Asante for wake up. Ma wasante semu here. It goes all sectors. Abrati wa ya ko berekum anko bo berekum ma so ya santini nti. Oya proud brunti Atadwee the blue face. Eti na obi otan asante fo agema badu sudden ni hilo. Ko ni kuro kodo de o cheche na ho. Owi a osiane an na be support no. Na be ye bia no underground na be support na be bro for the best support no. Adi na agema badu ya be support no. Was it hospital? Was it school? Why a pitch park? What is he doing? I didn't know ye. Your supporter no. Aprapra. What? Apart from dear no ye. Development ben away. Again, rather than instigating the political bro region against the Asante region in every seminar, conferences, every gathering, and every festivals. I mean, credit the Asante. Achia me atem to no day and night. Just another who is so a hilo to support you. To krum one call. Uncle Kino Pessis, Ama, or HEMAA or so, ye Asantino, what you Dormaa, I who do, eto unsa, eto kong, who we also bear support no, and a bear is baby. Na bear so. He bear so baby, bear so baby, no, bear he is low. Bear he is low, what one is low. What was the seminar for? The structure of your conversation. Who are you targeting? One another targeting them. What was the expression meaning? And who are in the social media defending themselves? It is, of course, Asantes. Because Dormaa is disrespecting Yachiame. So in the normal circumstances, you have choose your sides. It's what the way you're into support to Ajimabedu. I am Asante, and I will stand every way, inch on your way. Because I will not let you pull my own route away and you build yours. Tiwa also on Tiasa, we can fucking go whatever stream you want. There's also a panel. Papa J, I bet you don't mention my name on your platform again. Because ordinarily pure typical Asante man and woman, girls, young girls and boys, they're also proud of me. And they are willing to protect me in every extreme. So one pound once I must stay away from any conversation I have. So in Santinia, we are there to protect ourselves. Now, we have had enough hatred already. And we will not let anybody take advances on us. And see. One mama ba, you know how to speak and explain things, isn't it? So I wouldn't say this. Mr. Wasa I am to me wabotre papa. Me show di to pass the opebia. But when it is my time to twist my own waist, you better sit down because I can twist it better. Eti me fa wonu de o kan. So de o se wu sa brantie wait as antifo. Keep moving. Keep. Na da ko beji woni so. Maxi boss. I know say you are a young man trying to exploit. I have not intervened in your job, and I have no reason of. I have not in any reason at all temper anything that belongs to your future. Now I like at the end advice now the man say you shouldn't even go to that platform since you know who they are. And that saves you thousands of doses of horses. That was alone, man. Just Asante or whatever it is, you have got a brain. It wasn't even necessary because I wouldn't have come out again to make a video about Atadwee. But since he took it further, because I always a bit me a damage, a bit me a obstacle no, and in the new project away. So I saw ba no be sabotage, no be su. Atadwee. There are thousands of people we know so much Asante for, including Lewis Edinkra. But since you have not involved yourselves in anything as such, there is no way to point hands on her. Shall let me tell you, Lewis Edinkra domani womo ya de hie di akunya adikura kunya e wodoma. But since all this emerged, because she knows say kwa ya agye wo no ye fa ne ka kwaewa ye mfa ne kwae hunu wo hu se wagina publicly e de na not to sanse mu da onye bi da ana so wo hu se wakodi kurom onye ne kurom no ho ana ori ne wankodo anko grant interviews anko ka se beta na chi na da ebe onum se potential damage to the industry she have built herself. Potential damage to the relationship she have with people that are from different tribes. So she don't want to get involved. Though fully, na come muno or support the no. It's also be a fun and sabon kum chen across the crime. But yes, so She's much concentrated on what project she's building. But what day? Go jina ho na beta chi na bebe bia na beta na chi na be slow bia na be slow. Kwame Sky was it so learn sense with all due respect. Learn to articulate wisdom with all due respect. Learn to articulate discipline in social media so next time somebody wouldn't use your own words against your generation. So learn how to be respectful. So please, Kwame Sky, learn how to be wise. And fucking drop from my platform with all due respect. Because I'm only speaking to sensible Asante men and women to be careful with the people they call friends, they call families, they call colleagues, or they call whatever it is. It is not about you. It is time to speak to our people as well. Or being a fucking scared, I am not. Because whatever, me turn obi the appointing them, Abba social media. So, was it half year say 150? I forgot. Me to be, I feel also on time, mommy. And I'm saying, I think, obi a matter so was up so. Also on time, mommy. Yes, sir. Also, me picture them WhatsApp on so. Adaya. The only thing which my catch him so free Dormaa. So obi free Dormaa no on time, mommy. Huh? Ufi Dormaa dey one nam no wo ye. E dey asem nam no wo a ufi Dormaa me to nam awonto. What dey na wo tirimu sa wo dey me wo. And now against me. Huh? Atadwee, I am not even done with you yet. But a time will tell. A time will tell. Yes. Mimpimenim. Bibiela ni wa memeku ameka. Enye no kra. Mede manu betum ana menka. Aba ya the answer oh mama ba who say danger to your ODA. One environment into our better experience. I want my summer experience. After all this while, this girl of disrespect at Yame. So with all due respect, my brothers and sisters, I am sincerely meant everywhere as I said. This guy hate Asantes or your anti-Asante #1. And everything will tell you. I am not asking you not to participate in his jobs. Ejuma, the many pansa no. I am not asking me can't said men for no in. That has not been my statement. And my statement is if you are an Asante, be careful. And if you like, unfollow him because he don't meant well for you. Say me share movie na and then a movie no more. I cannot meet him in baby only. Say me share movie na and then a movie no more. I cannot meet him in baby only. Obi pass you na si atwede no. Mane hu se wapa menesi so. Nto yi asabi enya adon ko baby a. So please, thank you very much. I don't know why Sebi it would be a nipa bidum. And take common scenario say articulation, a simple observations. So how would you succeed in life? What you mean who if you are not observant, who will be bad? What I will be or sell or brabo nyina won na ehyeche na e basabe. Begin to observe people around you, their action, their conversation, their involvement, their association. Obi o tan o pa won na e baako or you're proud of or boast to say any pan. This person hates you so much.